Here's why you need to consider creating an account on Quotex. It has the lowest entry fee, which is $10. Once you only have that, you can jump in and begin to trade. But of course, it gives you an opportunity of you practicing till you boost your confidence. That is, you can actually activate the demo mode. And once you gain some confidence, you can switch to a real account. On top of that, it has a manifold methods of recharging. You don't only stick to USDT, you can as well use your bank card, you can use your mobile money account, which is why I love Quotex. So if you need to install Quotex, click the link in the description section and create an account. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how you have to go about creating an account and have it verified, so that when you earn from whatever you're going to deposit, you're able to withdraw with less difficulties. Let's take a look. Alright, so if you want to deposit, what you do is you click here where it reads deposit in the top right corner, and you're gonna see a manifold options by which you can deposit. So there's Binance Pay. This one could be the easiest, especially if you're using this on the phone as well as on the PC, because once you click here, there'll be a prompt, that will actually open your Binance account. All you need to do is punch in the credentials and everything will fall in place. So let me go by Airtel, because that's why I have like a little something, right? Go by Airtel, and this will actually come up here. Check this one out. First name, I've made a mistake here. So now I need to make sure that I punch in the correct thing, the correct details. I want to deposit a $10, so I need to make sure that I do that. So if you want to have a bonus on your deposit, you need to deposit something like $150 and above. Okay, so you need to click here so as to activate this. You swipe it to the right, and then you can punch in here where you can click here where it reads I have a promo code, and I'm going to provide the promo code. Just make sure that you let me know before you deposit if you want to deposit more than $150. Okay, and then you hit deposit. So here you will need to punch in the phone number. That's the Airtel phone number. If you went by MTN, make sure you punch in the MTN number. Okay, so I'm gonna punch in that. Okay, so you'll be prompted on your phone to enter your PIN. So I've confirmed on my phone. You hear that? And boom, you're saying the 10 deposit was successful. Your balance has been updated. You see, real fast, instantaneously, this has been updated. Let me take a shot of this. You can now click OK, close, and there is my $10 sitting there. It's real fast, real fast. So this is how you have to deposit. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw. Okay, so join my Telegram group where I'll be dropping the signals so as to help you earn money. Okay,